Hi everyone,
Hi.
welcome to the all new vlog of Jovial Stars. Today I have my husband over here, so we'll just entertain you, right?
Yep, I
Yes.
hope so.
Yeah,
I'm not sure though.
we are planning to entertain you. So let's start. The first and foremost thing is like here in this vlog, I will ask him some questions and he has to reply.
I'm going to answer each and every question of yours. That is for sure.
Let's
Okay.
check. Let's check.
Please start.
Let's check. Okay.
I'm
See,
ready. Yeah,
you're ready?
please start.
Okay. So your first question goes as, look over there so that I can check over here.
Okay, she has prepared, I think, few questions.
How will you pronounce CAL?
C-A-L. Cal.
VES.
Ves.
Now how will you pronounce together?
Calvis. Sorry, that is calves. See, oh my god.
Just in a hurry.
C-A-L-V-S. I said it in a hurry. Calvis? What sort of a word is that? Yeah, after that I realized, no, it's calves. Yeah, simple. It was as simple as that.
Okay, I'll ask you one more question if you're not bored.
No, I'm not bored. I'm really feeling energetic now.
So how will you spell roast?
It's R-O-A-S-T
Host?
H-O-S-T.
Are you sure? HOST?
हाँ, host. आप host बन के बैठे हो. Host. H-O-S-T.
Okay. Now how will you spell most?
M-O-S-T. Most.
So what will you put in a toaster?
What do you put in the toaster? Bread.
Huh? Bread.
What is it?
The answer is bread.
See.
The answer
She's
is
always grumbling and complaining that my IQ level is not good. See, in a second I could say the answer.
bread. Yes, that's a common question, you know.
What happens is we have the answers, all the answers in our mind, but suddenly if someone asks you the question from anywhere, a puzzle, anything, then you get confused. But sometimes you feel energetic and you feel confident, then you speak it out. Just like I did in the last question, right?
Only for the last question.
Guys, you have witnessed this. You cannot
only
say
last question. Only
no
last
to
question.
that.
Only last question.
Okay,
Only last
I
question.
did it. So by this you cannot prove that my IQ level is low,
Yes,
right?
yes, it's proved. Please comment.
yeah.
Please comment, man. Please comment.
Get lost. Okay.
Okay.
चलो ठीक है.
So again, one more question.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready.
John was born in May.
John was born in May. Okay.
John was born in May.
Okay.
But his birthday is in June. How come?
John was born in May.
But his birthday is in June. पकड़ा गया. पकड़ा गया. He was talking about his IQ level.
John, see guys, John was born in May. In the
Yes.
month of May, you mean? Is it?
That how can I say, yeah?
See, there is some twist in that question. John was born in May.
You have to say the answer. You can't ask me questions. I am asking you questions, man. You have to just reply. You have to give the answers.
John was born in May, June.
You're taking a lot of time, yeah, please.
Okay, pass.
May is a place. He knows everything. So let's check.
See, I
Let's
don't
check.
think I really know. Okay, you can test me.
We can test it.
Yeah.
We can test it in front of our subscribers.
Obviously, I'm ready to say that.
Let's check.
Oh, I was not aware of that.
Oh, yeah.
So I should pass that question completely to her. Good
May
question.
is a place and he was born in June.
Okay. What happens is basically when you try to say the answer very fast, you make mistakes. So that is what I did. So I knew the answer.
You didn't know the answer, yeah.
I really knew the answer, but it's okay. Let her be happier that I did not. Okay.
How many fingers do you have in one hand? Very simple.
Generally, I'll say 5, but then I think 4 fingers and a thumb. Is it right?
Yeah, it's right.
See.
It's okay. It's really easy question, yaar. It's really simple. Okay.
Maybe it's simple, but then you have made a very difficult set of questions for me, right? Then, in that perspective, I made it right. So I must be happy, right? I really feel that she has prepared it really well. So I would suggest to you guys also to please, what to say?
Subscribe our channel. Subscribe our channel.
And
Like
don't
our channel. Plus the bell icon. Okay. The calculation. Okay. So the number goes as 1000
Uh-huh.
plus 40
Okay.
plus 1000
Hmm.
plus 30
Hmm.
plus 1000
Hmm.
plus 20
Hmm.
plus 1000.
Okay.
How much is it?
1390.
I told 1000, not 100.
100.
See his IQ level.
See guys, as I told you before,
See his IQ level, he doesn't know anything.
Sometimes in a hurry, it causes worry. So that is what happened.
He thought he can say everything
See,
in front of the
I
camera.
really thought it was 100. Seriously, I really thought it
He
was
thought
100.
it was 100, but I was saying
But
1000.
she said 1000. See, you have to be really attentive when she says.
So what we
Or
learned from this?
Whenever anyone says, especially हम लोग तो class में उतना attentive थे नहीं.
Yes.
So you have to be really attentive, guys. Okay.
You have to hear and you have to think in the same way. That's the main thing. Okay. So, as he told, like, what did you say the answer like? 1000?
I told 1390, but I had a 90.
Okay. So again, I'll repeat the question for answer now.
So that is what it is. 4090
Plus 10.
4100. Sorry.
He was just going to get cribbled over here. He was just
but
going
it is
to.
4100. So as
Yes.
you saw, guys, I was
Usually what
really
we
in a
do-
hurry. That's why I told 1390. But actually, the answer
You're getting
is 4100.
confused. You're getting confused. You're getting a bit,
So overexcited.
Yes, I think you're getting overexcited.
that is what I have.
Because he's first time in front of camera. I always talk and all. So he's not into all this. No, the answers. Yeah, kuch bhi.
As per her capabilities, she has really done well. I must
क्या
admire. चलो ठीक है.
क्या
Last
बोल
question
दिया?
पूछो. Last question पूछो.
I'll ask you.
See, she's doing likewise. We were using it. Doing it in the school. Do you remember, guys? We used to we used.
I
we
don't
not
believe
show-
you. I don't believe you. Look at my answers.
That is what. See, girls used to do like that when we were at school.
Name 3 consecutive days. Name 3 consecutive days. You can't say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
That is what the days are. 7 days in a week.
But you can't say. You have to say something else.
Okay, let me check first. Yeah.
Fast. You are taking a lot of time,
But what can it be? 3 consecutive days, as in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
No, you can't say from Monday to Saturday. You can't say anything.
Then what has to be said?
You have to say something, but it should be consecutive.
Okay. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
No, you can't say anything of that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can't say.
Then.
You're not allowed to say.
But you asked me 3 consecutive
Yes,
days, right?
that's something puzzle, yeah. Puzzle game. You have to think.
Consecutive days. Guys, do you know the answer? I'm really stuck there. I'm really stuck in this question.
They can't help you. You have to upload it in your video. Then only they can answer in comment box. Please comment your answers, guys.
Yeah, please do. I'm really not able to say this. मैं हार गया यार. तू ही बता दे.
पक्का. फिर ये नहीं ना बोलेगा कि नहीं मैं नहीं हारा था.
मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. चलो, तू जीत गई. Okay?
Okay. तो आंसर है yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Correct.
Yesterday,
correct.
today, tomorrow. The 3 consecutive days. Okay.
See, I could not think. My brain did
IQ
not
level.
work.
IQ level is really low.
That is not about IQ. Come on.
It's about IQ.
When
It's
you
a
ask-
part of IQ.
when
It's a
you-
part of
when
IQ,
you
man.
ask someone about the consecutive days, obviously it will come about 7 days in a week.
But I told you, you
But
can't
then
say
when
7
you
days.
said it is a puzzle, I really got stuck. That is what has happened.
You don't know how to solve a puzzle. That's it.
चलो ठीक है यार, मान लिए ये गलती हो गया. That
Okay.
doesn't mean my IQ level is lost. Okay?
Okay.
Guys, do you really think so? Okay, so till now the questions seemed really interesting, I must say. She has really put on some good hard work for that. Some I could answer, some I could not. Maybe because of my negligence.
Yeah, it's just because of his negligence
Or
that I would
maybe
like to say is
I was
because he was
overconfident,
really
overexcited.
Yeah.
Whatever you call, whatever you want to say, I totally agree on whatever you will be saying in your comment box. But then she has done good hard work. I hope she will do much hard work to what to say, put much tougher questions for me.
Okay, I'll just ask you one more question.
Okay,
Just one
please
more.
go ahead.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a chart for you over here. Like I think my subscribers can watch it.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think it's 188, right?
Yeah, it's 188.
Mm-hmm.
You have to make one line to make it 200.
One line to make it.
200. You can have your pen.
Okay. So one.
So shall I
line.
keep it like this? Can my subscribers they can
it
watch?
is. I think
Yes.
they will
yes.
be able to watch.
Yes. So
One
can you please
line?
sketch it over there? Can you please sketch? You can just give one line to make it 200. You don't know the answer.
No, I think I've got stuck in this question. Guys, do you know this? No, I'm unable to do.
Sure.
Yes, yeah. Should I help you out?
This
Or
is
is it 200?
100
Okay.
and 100. You have to put a line over here.
So 100, guys, plus 100.
Yes, yes.
So that is 200.
It's
See.
I think you can see it.
100. That
One-
makes 200.
Yes.
She is absolutely right. Good one, Pinju.
Thank you.
Okay. So guys, I hope you really have loved our questions, a bit of puzzled questions you may say. She has
It
really
was
done
not
hard
only
work.
puzzle. It was something about IQ.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your patience in listening to all our questions. We
It's
would
just
request.
like we wanted you all to watch. Like he always says, "I know everything. I know everything." Now you can judge.
Come
Who
on,
knows
yeah. They
what?
really know that in hurry I've made mistakes.
Yeah, why?
But I know,
didn't
I
say you
really-
to be hurry. I didn't
See
say.
guys, I really knew the answers and she's just making a big fuss out of it. So guys, what I wanted to say is please like and subscribe our videos and don't forget to press the
Bell icon.
guys.
So
Thank you
guys,
for being so patient
Yes.
and listening to all our questions very
It was just a fun
patiently.
time between both of us.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because he's totally busy with his workload. He's totally busy with every stuff he's working on too. So it's just time
So
pass.
today I took some time and thought of making a video. It was her
I just wanted
initiative.
to relax him, just with some set of questions.
I really loved it. Thank you for giving me this time. She had prepared good questions, good brainstorming. I cannot say, okay, and mind blowing also I cannot say. Yeah, but then questions were tricky.
Hope you like our video.
So
As he told, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.
So till we meet the next time, you also comment on these sections in the comment section. You liked or not, and what all things we should add on. Please let us know through your feedback. You can even email us. And till we are there for the next vlog, please wait patiently for our next vlog, which will really come very soon. Till then, bye guys. Bye from Jovial Stars. Take care.
Stay
Have a-
home, stay safe.